my channel and welcome to a new video. First, I just want to say thank you all so much for being here, and thank you so much for being patient with me as well. I know I haven't posted in a bit, but I really wanted to be mindful of the space that I am taking up, especially right now with the Black Lives Matter movement and all of the resources being shared and current events going on. I wanted to be mindful of the virtual space I'm taking up, especially because a lot of our information is being shared online right now, since we are still in a pandemic and might not be able to get those interactions in person. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for being patient with me. I hope you are learning and I hope we can just continue to grow together and bring awareness to a lot of the issues. I am going to be announcing the giveaway as well today because we reached over 500 subscribers, which I am over the moon excited about, so thank you all so much for sticking around with me. Today we are going to be cleaning together, and I'm excited to share the giveaway because it's very much related to what we do here on this channel and also just our community that we've built here. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll share the giveaway in a little bit. If you've watched any of my previous videos, then you know that this plant stand here next to the couch is new. I got it from Ikea and I believe it was only $30. I'll link it down below for you all if you are interested. The only thing that I will say is that I did get it delivered and I had a great experience with that. Everything came in perfectly fine, and it actually came in a week before it was supposed to, but it did take 2 months to get here. But I was okay with that. But I did also do another order with the click and collect option with Ikea because of the pandemic, and with that one I did not have a good experience at all. So if you could get it delivered and they are delivering pretty soon, then I would encourage you to do so. It worked perfectly for me. I had a good experience, but the click and collect, just kind of do your research a bit because it was a hassle.
You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy for,
If you're new to my channel, I just want to say welcome. I'm very glad that you're here, very glad that you're watching. And for those of you who are returning to my channel, again, just thank you so much for being patient with me and for supporting my channel here on YouTube. I really appreciate you all. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would love for you to join my journey here on YouTube, so consider subscribing and also hit that little bell notification button so you get notified every single time I post a new video. Alright, so I'm quickly going to announce the giveaway and also share the rules for this giveaway and share the supplies that the winner of this giveaway will receive. So the first 3 items that I have are some cleaning supplies by Mrs. Meyers, and they are in the scent Rose. So the winner will receive an all-purpose multi-surface cleaner, a hand soap, and a dish soap. And I love these. I use them all the time in different scents, so super excited. And then the next 2 items I am going to be giving away are these microfiber all-purpose cloths. I actually use these, but I have them all in the, I believe they're the periwinkle color. So this one comes with 3 different colors and they work wonders. So this is a great piece too. And then last, well not last actually, last of the physical supplies here, but also these walnut scrub sponges. I love these so much. I use them all the time, and this is actually a new packaging which is more eco-friendly than their past packaging, so that's exciting as well. And then the last piece of the giveaway, which I think is probably the most exciting and the best piece is I am going to also be giving the giveaway winner a $50 gift card to Target. I love Target, so I'm super excited to be giving these pieces away. There are a total of 6 pieces, so whoever wins this giveaway will receive all 6 pieces. I'm super excited. So now for the rules. To be considered for this giveaway, you have to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment on this video. Once you are done subscribing to my channel, then you have to send me a screenshot on my Instagram through messages. So I will leave my Instagram right here on the screen for you all. So just make sure that you screenshot, and then I will also check the comments, and then that's how I will choose a random winner for the giveaway. And I will announce the winner on Sunday, June 28th. So you have 2 weeks to enter the giveaway. Literally right after I filmed this video, I actually gave my grandma the Methods wood cleaner that I have here on the table right now that I'm about to use, because she finished her pledged product, and so I gave her this one, and so far she really seems to like it. So I need to order myself another one, but wanted to ask you all if you recommend any other wood cleaners that I can try that are more on the natural and eco-friendly side, because I love this product, but I'm also open to trying other ones. So let me know down in the comments if you have any recommendations. Lately, with being in quarantine, my kitchen has just been a total mess, and I will explain why. It makes total sense because I actually retransitioned back into a plant-based and vegan lifestyle. So I used to eat plant-based and vegan a few years ago. I actually went vegetarian when I was in high school, and then did that for a few years, and then when I went to college I transitioned to veganism, and then I was vegan for all of my undergrad pretty much, and then for a few months when I came back to Los Angeles after my undergrad, and then I started eating chicken, and then eventually started eating just everything. And for the last 3 weeks I've been eating more vegan, well, fully vegan and plant-based meals, and so it's been a transition, and I've had to experiment more in the kitchen and just have more fun with my food, because honestly it's hard transitioning back to veganism, because I'm just so used to, you know, eating meat and chicken, and my partner is not vegan and he's not plant-based, and he's okay with trying the food, but he's not willing to, like, he doesn't want to eat follow the vegan lifestyle or anything, and I don't want to force him or anyone to do that. So it's fine with me, but it just gets hard because when I cook, I kind of have to cook for both of us, and so I try to make mine vegan and his with some type of meat of his choosing. So it's been chaos in the kitchen the past few weeks, but I'm very grateful that we have our kitchen. It's just, I find myself doing a lot more of the dishes, and I also find that I leave the dishes for the next day rather than just doing them right away as I usually do, because at this point I'm sometimes following recipes just because I want to remember how it is that I used to make, like my fettuccine pasta and like my Alfredo pasta, and I don't remember everything, so I'm kind of learning as I go, but it's been a fun journey. Let me know if you're interested in seeing some vegan recipes, plant-based recipes, and also just seeing like what I've been eating, or if you'd like for me to talk a little bit more about just why I transitioned back to the plant-based lifestyle. But it really is much more for just mental and health reasons. So right now I feel really great, and I'm happy that I'm able to transition back and that I have the kitchen to be able to experiment with my food for now.
Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me?
As you can see, I actually moved around the furniture and even painted our bedroom. I'm so happy. It makes such a huge difference. If you go to any of my previous videos, this room was always so dark and I was just not about it. So I actually painted this about 2 or 3 weeks ago now, and I also got rid of that big tree that was painted next to the window. It was just a huge brown tree that my cousin actually painted, who lived here before, and this was her bedroom. So I am so happy we painted it, moved everything around, and there's just so much more light in here. One of you actually commented on a few videos back and was like, why do you have the bed covering the window? And that's just always how we've put our beds. So I kind of changed it up this time, and my partner and I really like all of the light and all of the air that comes in now. So I'm very happy that we are able to change it around. There are still some things that I need to change and want to update, but it's a fresh canvas and I'm super excited. I wanted to quickly show you all some of the hangers, wall hooks that I'm going to be putting in our bedroom. I got them, well, my mom actually, she gifted them to us, but they are from Target and they are so cute. There's 3 of them and they're by Project 62. Yeah, Project 62. And I'm going to show you all where I'm going to put them. So I'm going to put them here. Let me show you. On this side of our room, as you remember, maybe we had this huge tree here painted, but what I'm going to do is just have this little cushion here, and then I'm also going to put up a piece of artwork. I'm not sure what piece of artwork, but I am looking at this website. I forgot it on top of my head, but I'm going to put it down on the description in case you're interested in finding some art. I hope this video motivated you to clean with me. I know it was a short one, but hopefully it was a good one and it helped you just get up and clean the space with me. Again, I want to remind you all of the giveaway. You have until Sunday, June 28th to enter the giveaway, and I will put all of the rules and also the products that are part of the giveaway down in the description box, and I will announce that giveaway winner in 2 weeks. So thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.